Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can save call log number to our contact on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we have to open our phone application. And after we have our phone application opened, we can go to the recent category right here. And for example, I'm going to save this phone number from my call history. I'm going to save this phone number to my contact. We just need to click on the phone number, then click on add to contact. And here we have two options. We can select create new contact or update existing contact. And I'm going to create new contact. I'm going to select this option and we can name the contact right here. For example, I'm going to name it X. Then we just need to click on save. Alright, and now the phone number has been saved to my contact. And I guess that's how we can save call log number to our contact on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.